Now, we are discussing the new chapter, chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. We already know that the cell is the basic and fundamental unit of the life. All organisms, including plants and animals that we observe around us, are composed of cells. Whether they are one celled animal or many cell animals or multicellular animals. Each and every cell arises from pre-existing cell and becomes specialized for performing different functions after division. After division, cell is converted into two daughter cells, and both the cells are equal and similar and having facilities to performing the life cycles. Cell is fundamental and structural unit of every living organisms. Now, discovery of cells. We already discussed in lower standards that Robert Hooke, while examining a slice of cork under the primitive microscope, observed that the cork consists of a small box-like structure resembling honeycomb. He called them cells. Cork becomes cork comes from the bark of the tree. Cork is a wood of tree which is used as a cork on the bottle. Cell means the little room in Latin. This is the Latin word cell. It called room or a compartment. This event was very small and insignificant in the history of science, but till today in biology the word cell is used. What are living organisms made up of? Here, activity 6.1, page number 51. Sorry, 50. Huh, okay, 5.1. So here, a mount of onion cell on the slide. You have already discussed in lower standards that how cell is mounted. Here, the microscope that we use in laboratories, our school laboratories or in pathology laboratories. So please read this activity, and after activity, if we observe from the microscope that the onion cells, we observe cells of onion under microscope. These structures look similar to each other. Every structure looks similar. Together, they form big structures like onion bulb. Whole onion bulb is composed of this type of cells. Onion bulbs of different sizes have a similar structures like cell. They all have. If onion is smaller or a bigger or whatever it is, the cells are look like same. We uh, we can say that the basic building unit of the onion bulb are cells. Not only onions, but all organisms that are observed around us are made up of cell. Here, some information which is asked by examiner uh, in 1 or 2 marks. So you have learned by heart this table. Now, cellular composition of animals. We already know that Animals are of two types: single celled animal or many cells animal. Single cell animals are called unicellular organisms or animals, and many cells called multicellular organisms. Amoeba, Chlamydomonas, Paramecium, bacteria, yeast, etc. are unicellular organisms, whereas all the animals and some fungi like mushrooms and some mold which we observe on stale food like chapati, roti or bread. It is called mold. So they are also multicellular organism. Now unicellular and multicellular organism, here the difference. A single cell constitutes the whole organisms. Multi cells are grouped together in a single body, uh, which assume different functions in the body to form a body various body parts. Multicellular organism we observed various organs or various part in the body which perform specific function. There are no division of labor in a prokaryotic unicellular organism, but it may be seen within the eukaryotic unicellular organism. Further, we discuss prokaryotic and eukaryotic. All cells are specialized to perform different functions of the multicellular body, so that there is a division of labor within a single cell as well as group of cell. We discussed further. Now, activity 2. Activity 5.2. So here we prepare a temporary mounds of leaf pill, tip of root of onion, or even peels of onion of different sizes. So we have to discuss the size of the cell. So here some answer the question which is asked in the activity. The shape and the size of the cells are different for different parts of the plant. If we mount cell from the root tips, shoot tips, or onion bulb, they look similar. They look different because they perform different functions. All types of cell have cell wall and nucleus and vacuoles in activity. So in activity, under the microscope, we have seen three major organelles: cell wall, nucleus, and vacuoles. The cells are different in size, shape, color, and function. Repeat the another question, which answer of this question is as second statement. Now, shape of cells. Some cells have fixed shape. As for example, most plant cells and animal cells, they have a fixed shape. While some cells like amoeba and WBC keep changing their shapes. Amoeba and white blood corpuscles, which is found in our body within the blood, they keep changing their shape. Fixed shape cells may be of various types like which is elliptical as a fat cell, spherical, ovum cell, spindle shape, smooth muscle cell, uh, knobbed thread-like, the sperm cell, discoidal RBC, elongated nerve cell, etc. Uh, the figure of these cells we can see on the page 58 of textbook. So this is the different size of cells. Now size of the cell varies significantly from the smallest cell, microplasma, 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. The first m is called micro. To very large egg cell, the ostrich bird of 18 centimeter. We can see this uh, egg cell. Nerve cell is the largest cell in human body, which may reach up to length of 90 centimeter. So it is the largest cell located in our body. Now, functions of the cell. The shape and size of the cell are related to the specific functions they perform. Multicellular organisms like human beings perform these functions by division of labor. What is division of labor? डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर एक्चुअली है क्या? शायद आप बैंक में गए होंगे, वहाँ पे कई सारे लोग काम करते हैं, वो अपने अपने डिपार्टमेंट का काम करते हैं. कोई भी एक आदमी हर एक डिपार्टमेंट का काम नहीं करता, लेकिन अलग अलग आदमी, अलग अलग पर्सन है, वो अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट के लिए काम करते हैं, लेकिन वो सब काम बैंक के लिए होता है. एक डिपार्टमेंट का पर्सन है, वो दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में वो दिन काम नहीं कर सकता. इसीलिए ये जो डिवीज़न ऑफ लेबर बोला जाता है इसको. तो हमारे बॉडी में भी, मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म में भी डिवीज़न ऑफ लेबर है. डिवीज़न different parts of the human body are specialized to perform different functions, such as heart is made to pumping blood, stomach to digest food, kidney to filter urine, etc. Many organs are located in our body which performs a specific function. A division of labor is also seen within a single cell. Every cell possesses certain specific component known as cell organelles. Within the cell, division of labor is also takes place. To perform this different activity within the cell, the arrangement of different small structures called organelles, which enable it to live and perform special functions, just like protein synthesis, energy production, etc. Cell organelles together constitute the basic unit of life called the cell. Each kind of cell cell organelle performs a specific functions like obtaining nutrition, respiration, clearing waste, or forming new progeny. As for example, mitochondria is the organelle which provides energy to the cell. Lysosome is related to the clearance of waste from the cell, etc. It is interesting that all cells are found to have some organelles. Some organelles are common in all the cells, no matter what its function is or what organisms they are found in. Now we have some homework. In text question, page number 59 in textbook. This is the 2 question. And some other questions too. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, here the end of the session. Thank you.